forget, just stood alone and thought, should I run my way, or follow my heart and stay around the fire? It's a